This is the thing, right? Like the reason why we doing this is because
What in the
people,
world?
the way you get a job, as far as like somebody just contracting you to write stories and articles for CNN, for different publications, is because of the writing that they saw. It's not like applying like, I want to be a writer for you and here's my resume. It's no, you're posting. Remember, I talked about the impressions. You're posting so many cool articles. Somebody reads that article and say, damn, can you write an article for us? Or I saw these pictures. Can you take pictures for us? I'm seeing young people that don't have degrees, but she's taking so many pictures that she's being outsourced by different companies. So she's not even working for just one publication, Time Magazine. Time Magazine might hire her because the thing is, like, Time Magazine is going to hire somebody local to take pictures locally, right? So they're going to reach out and just use you for this. And then you have another publication that's going to hire you for somewhere else. So the thing is, like, I want to get into writing and get paid for these articles at some point, but you got to write. You got to share this stuff. So you sharing these stories is building your brand up and it's putting you as a thought leader in this area. And then you could almost get into doing classes on how to write. Here's how I formulate my articles. Here's what makes a good article. This is the value that people, this is the value that I'm talking about. When you're sharing this stuff, you're writing your own articles, but you're also talking about what makes a good article. Here's the top books to look at. So when you're sharing this and giving people value, you're bringing them in, right? You got to give before you could get. So before you could ask for that big dollar amount for writing an article, you got to give out all this information. Remember I talked about, remember, keep this in mind, and I'm going to end on this. It's the hook. You want to hook them in. Hooking them in is giving them this stuff.